Well, now let's focus on Virginia. Governor-elect Glenn Youngkin says he's going to challenge President Biden's vaccine mandate for healthcare workers. This as the Supreme Court debates vaccine mandates and Virginia reaches a record high number of COVID hospitalizations. Our Mike Valerio explains why Youngkin might be facing an uphill battle.
As Virginia shattered a record for its highest COVID hospitalizations, Governor-elect Glenn Youngkin and Attorney General-elect Jason Miyares said they'll work to overturn President Biden's vaccine mandate for healthcare workers.
I do not believe and therefore will not allow mandated vaccines broadly.
Youngkin argues no mandate puts workers who won't take the vaccine back into hospitals at a time when ICUs are short-staffed. That argument was rejected soundly today by Supreme Court Justice Stephen Breyer.
I would find it, unbelievable that it could be in the public interest to suddenly stop these vaccinations.
The court heard early challenges to the president's testing and vaccine mandates, and while a majority seemed skeptical about keeping mandates for private companies, the court seemed willing to let the vaccine mandate stand for healthcare workers.
Based on what you heard from the justices this morning, do you think that Youngkin and Miyares really have a shot here?
No, I think certainly if you can read the room from this morning's arguments, it seems that the justices are inclined to look favorably on the vaccine mandate for health workers.
Sarah Rosenbaum is a healthcare law expert at the George Washington University, and she notes the justices hinted it should be hospitals bringing healthcare worker mandate challenges, not the states.
There was an interesting question also raised in the argument about whether the state governments even had a basis for pushing on this rule because they are not the healthcare providers.
Mike Valerio, WUSA 9.